Hi, and welcome to this new episode of Marketing Essentials. Today, we'll explore a fascinating case study, the evolution of Azzurra Fashion's marketing funnel, a fictional women's fashion brand. Please note that the names, brands, and data are fictional, but based on realistic industry scenarios. Let's start with the goal of this case study. I want to show you, with a practical example, how a modern marketing funnel works in e-commerce. Today's funnel is no longer a straight line. It's a multi-channel journey that guides customers step by step, from discovering the brand to becoming loyal buyers. We can't just wait for customers to come. We need to guide them through each stage of the process. Azzurra Fashion is an imaginary casual chic clothing brand designed for women aged 25 to 40. Founded in 2015 as a local boutique, it later expanded online to reach customers across Italy. Its strengths, sustainability, and storytelling. Each collection tells a story and builds a connection with those who wear it. The challenge was clear: a high volume of website visitors, few purchases, and low customer loyalty. Looking at the funnel, out of 100 visitors, only 70 reach the product page. From there, just 30 add something to the cart, and in the end, only 3 become repeat customers, bottleneck after bottleneck. A solid strategy was needed to improve each stage of the journey. Let's start with the awareness phase. The goal here is to make the brand known and attract the right audience. We launched campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, and Google using clear messages and authentic visuals. We also collaborated with micro-influencers and partnered with like-minded brands to enhance our exposure. What did we track? Reach, which indicates the number of unique individuals who viewed our content. Impressions, to understand how often it was shown. Clicks are used to measure interaction. And new users to see if we were attracting the right audience. Second phase, consideration. Here, the goal is to keep attention and spark interest. We used personalized retargeting. If someone viewed a product, we showed it to them again, maybe with a discount. We also created relevant content, such as newsletters and lookbooks, curated visual guides that demonstrate how to combine pieces into complete outfits or styles. Finally, we highlighted genuine reviews to build trust and engagement. Third phase, conversion. Every detail matters here to turn interest into a sale. We enhanced the website experience, simplified the checkout process, and offered incentives, including discounts and free shipping. We also recovered abandoned carts using automated emails. The results? Higher conversion rates, bigger average order values, and lower acquisition costs. Final phase, loyalty. The goal is to turn a customer into a returning customer. We launched a point-based loyalty program, sent personalized emails, built an active community, and offered fast, human customer service. All of this has increased returning customers and positive word of mouth. Here are the results. Website visits increased by 70%, the conversion rate doubled, and orders grew by 40%. Additionally, 45% of revenue now comes from repeat customers, and the customer acquisition cost has dropped by 30%. The data is fictional, of course, but based on realistic benchmarks. It demonstrates the significant impact a structured strategy can have. To summarize, a complete funnel, spanning from awareness to loyalty, fosters a virtuous cycle. Every business has its formula, but the secret is to test, optimize, and listen to the data. Putting the customer at the center makes all the difference. Happy customers come back, spend more, and recommend your brand. My advice: analyze your funnel, find the bottlenecks, and start there. Thanks for watching this episode of Marketing Essentials. See you in the following case study.